Hello, Tim Davis here again from Cybersalt. In this video, I'm going to show you Userback. It's a feedback tool that you, my clients, can use to give me feedback on projects that I'm working on for you. It will save you time, it saves me time, and that saves you money. So let's check it out, how to use it. Now, somehow you're watching this video and you're not one of my clients. You're certainly welcome to become one of my clients. But if you think Userback would work for your clients, there's a link in the video description below that you can click on to check it out. All right, so here we are on the cybersalt.com site, and you'll see down in the bottom right-hand corner a blue box that says feedback. That's the Userback feedback button. When we click on that, it will open up two options. You can provide general feedback, which would be of text type and typing, or you can draw on the screen. Let's check draw on the screen. We're immediately given this toolbar up here at the top where we can use a number of these tools and draw right on the screen. And what you're going to do is draw on the screen, leave your comments, send them to me. It goes to my help desk, and then I can see exactly what you're talking about or describing and get right on it. Let's check out some of these tools. So here is a box tool for surrounding things. So let's say I'm going to select this paragraph here. And now it's highlighted. Now, if we click just outside of that paragraph, you'll see we get a 1 and a place to type. This is too long. All right, so that comment is, that's too long, so we can save that. Now, what else? Maybe there's something else that you want to highlight. So say down here, okay, contact. We'll click there too. This is just right. Whoops, and we can always fix our spelling. All right, and save. Now there's other tools up here. Check this out. We have this drawing tool, and in the bottom corner here you can see you can select the color. So if you want to highlight something in purple, you could circle this and say, hey, yeah, and then you would click there and you would leave your comment. And of course, if you want other colors, you can select them there. This draws lines. I'm not really sure what to, oops, sorry. This draws lines. I'm not really sure what its purpose is, but it does make perfectly straight lines, so you might want to use that. Notice if you mouse over it, it turns into crosshairs and you can move it around. And remember, look, at any time if you make a mistake, like I did with this purple line, highlight it, click on the X, it will disappear. If you are an arrow person, you can click and point to something. Oh, but notice the arrow was at the bottom. So if you're pointing at something, start somewhere and head to what you point to. So we'll point up to here. And again, you can click outside and say, nice shirt. Up here we have a blackout box. And again, it has different colors, but you might just want to say, no, I don't want the video here at all. Just black it out. And of course you could say, get rid of video. And then text. You can always just type text at any time that you want. Just click there and is text. And you can save it. Now notice before when I clicked outside just to get text for this black box, when typed remove video, I forgot to save it, so it disappeared. Once you've marked up the page, and if you find a page has too many marks on it, you can always send multiple examples or multiple selections or that. Once you have that there, as you want, all the feedback that you've given, go up and click on Next. Here you will put your address in. Tim@cybersalt.com. You could still leave a comment. You can see that there's screenshots added here, and this plus button, which I've never used, let's see what it does. Oh, you can still add a comment somewhere else. All right, so a new comment. Oh, I've never used that before. Excellent. So what that means is now when we go next, we'll actually have something else that's added, another screenshot. So you can add multiple ones. Once you've got your email address in there, whether or not you leave a comment, you can click send. And that will then be emailed to me. It goes into my help desk system. I get an alert and I say, hey, there's some work to do. I check it out. And I can also open up that and I can reply to your comments to the email that you just sent, to those screenshots, give you updates, ask you further questions. And then when you get that reply from me, you can still reply with other things that you're thinking about, or more feedback as I've requested it. So Userback, it's great because it saves you time trying to describe over the phone or in a long typed out email what you're seeing and what you'd like me to do on the site. It's great for me because instead of trying to picture what you're writing or saying, I can actually see it on the screen in context in your comments, and it just really makes that back and forth communication flow really nicely, saving time, taking less time to work on your project, saving you money, and leading to a happy result for both of us. So use Userback if you see it on your site or on your project. If you don't see it on your project and you'd like it added, then please just send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and I'll get that on there right away. Thank you again for being my clients. And if you're watching this, you're not one of my clients, but you're just checking out Userback, thanks for watching. And if there's anything I can do in web design or internet consulting, hit me up, tim@cybersalt.com. Until the next time, God bless.